Satnam, I'm Yogi Cas. Thank you for tuning in today. Today we are doing a kriya that will expand our energy into the auric field and making our energy very magnetic. So let's start hands to prayer mudra and let's tune in with our mantras. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Adgure Name, Jugadgure Name, Satgure Name, Sri Gurudeve Name. Adgure Name, Jugadgure Name, Satgure Name, Sri Gurudeve Name. Adgure Name, Jugadgure Name, Satgure Name, Sri Gurudeve Name. Deep inhale, hold that breath in as you invite your higher self to guide you through this Kundalini practice. And exhale. First, we're gonna start with the Ego Eradicator. We're placing the hands to the V shape above our head, and we're doing a breath of fire here. Eyes are closed and eyes are rolled up to the third eye. This is a great warm-up for our energetic body as well as the physical body, as we're creating this prana and heat in the body. This is overall very detoxifying and purifying process to our body, but also on an energetic level, our prana starts to move within the body, and this way we're not only detoxifying on the physical level, but also on the energetic level. Now breathe in, let your thumbs touch over the head, stretch your arms, and breathe out, hands down to Jian Mudra. Good. Now we're moving on, and we're moving on with the spinal plexus. You can take on to the shins if this feels more comfortable. And we're breathing in as we move forward, and we're breathing out as we move backwards. We are warming up the spine as the energy moves from the lower part of the spine to the higher part of the spine, all the way up to the auric field. And again, eyes are closed and eyes are rolled up to the third eye here. Breathe in and out, hands down to Jian Mudra. Very good. Now we're moving on. We are starting to play with the magnetism of the energy, and we're playing with our hands here. We are starting to rotate our hands as we are holding a small energy ball. So start to feel that energy, that electricity in your hands and between your hands. Deep breaths here, eyes are closed, eyes are rolled up to the third eye, and we're creating a lot of energy in that area here. And you can visualize this energy between your hands that you're generating. You can visualize a white light here and just this electricity that we're building here, this very, very much healing prana, healing energy. Very good. And now take your hands and give your face and your head a beautiful, beautiful touch here. All this beautiful healing energy that you have generated, you are giving yourself. You're giving yourself this blessing. Just imagine you're pouring yourself over with this white healing energy. Very good. And now moving on. Now we're playing with our hands once more. And we're tapping to the earth, but without touching that. Like we're playing drums here. And just shake the arms up and down. Up and down as fast as you can. Breathe in. Very good. And now eyes are closed, rolled up to the third eye, and we're shaking. Hands are in the fists, thumbs are in the fists, and we're shaking with our hands to the left and right. We are really expanding our energy. All this prana that we have created, now we're putting it out there to our auric field, grounding it to the earth, and now expanding it forward, outwards to the body, from the body to the aura. Very good. Now moving on. We're opening the Anahata chakra, our heart chakra here. Hands are like they're going to clap. You expand your arms and come together, but don't touch. And we breathe in when the hand go back, and we breathe out powerfully when the hands come almost together. Very good. Hand. Very good. Hand. Very good. Hands in the Jian Mudra now. And just sit here in the easy pose. I am a peaceful being. I am calm and stable always. I am always happy. Every cell of my body is happy and healthy. My energy is magnetic. My energy is powerful. My energy is bright. My aura is bright. Every cell of my body is filled with this light. I am a powerful soul. I am a pure soul. My body is pure. My mind is pure. My heart is pure. With each breath, I expand my auric field even further out. Thank you so much. Now let's tune out Sat Nam, truth is my name, hands to prayer mudra. Sat Nam. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope you feel this beautiful prana and healed energy and high vibrations that we generated here today. Lots of love and have a beautiful day. Bye.